Find R if 5PR is equal to 2 times of 6PR minus 1. So first thing first, we're going to use 5PR NPR formula, that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So here on substituting, we have 5PR, which is equal to 2 times of, I need to expand it actually. So here we have 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r factorial into 6 factorial divided by, this is where people go wrong. So please see this carefully. 6 minus r minus 1 factorial, right? In place of r, we have r minus 1. Okay, take a second, look at it. A bit of simplification and we have is equal to 2 times of 6 factorial divided by, see, minus of minus is plus, so plus 1, 6, that is 7 minus r factorial. Now a bit of cross multiplication and all of that. So we have 5 factorial divided by, okay, I'll transpose 5 factorial to the right hand side and this to the left hand side. So basically this would be in the numerator and 5 minus r factorial will remain there itself. And on the right hand side we have 2 into 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial. This makes sense, right? Okay. Now a very important note. I can rewrite 7 minus r factorial as 7 minus r into 7 minus r minus 1, right? So n factorial is n into n minus 1, so on and so forth. So whatever this value is, I need to subtract that with 1, right? And this is nothing but 6 minus r factorial, that is 6 minus r minus 1 into so on and so forth. Is that okay? Or let me just do this. 7 minus r minus 2. Again, this expression I need to keep reducing. So first you will reduce by 1, then by 2, so on and so forth. Again, please pause and have a look. So let me further simplify this. 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial, right? And so we have here in the numerator 7 minus r, 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. This entire thing divided with 5 minus r factorial, which is equal to 2 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So this and this gets cancelled, this and this expression gets cancelled. So yes, we are looking at a quadratic equation. 6 7s are, then 7, then 6r plus r square is equal to 12, right? So a bit of rearranging, we have r square minus 13r. If I transpose this, this will become plus 30, right? And now okay, so for the simplification, r square splitting the middle term, so this would be 10r minus 3r plus 30 is equal to 0 using the splitting the middle term, and then taking common, so r minus 10 into here minus 3, sorry, not into, minus 3 into r minus 10, which is equal to 0, and we have r minus 10 into r minus 3, which is equal to 0, and therefore what do we have? R is equal to 10 if not 3, 10 and 3, right? So let's have a look. Does it make sense? 5p, okay, see, we have 5 things out of which we can't choose 10 of it, is it not? So yeah, we will end up with, but for the given condition, r cannot be equal to 10. Thus r is 3 only. Okay, that's the only value that the r can take. So that would be your answer, right? Again, we have 5 things. We cannot choose 10 out of 5 things, is it not? So yeah, so this is an important step. So this is where people go wrong. So please understand this, take time. See, let me talk in this manner as well. So let me give it an example. 10 factorial is means what? 10, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, then 8 factorial, that is 10 minus 2, so on and so forth, right? So that's what I've done over here. Whatever the expression is, I've separated with 1 and then 2 and so on and so forth. Is it not? So please understand that concept. It's very important, because this is how the hard questions look like. We have to make use of this